So over here, you can see that I have some objects, and then if I were to go around and select out an object right here, then I can simply go around and delete it, as you can see right here. I can go around and delete this over here just like this as well. But what you can also do is, in order to prevent accidental deleting of objects that may be important, you can select out the object right here and disable deleting by going around onto the properties section under style, and then you can go around and disable the deletable property right here. So if you were to disable this, then what happens is that I can select this object, but I cannot delete it even if I were to press the delete key. But for this one, I can press the delete key right here. Similarly, you can select out other objects right here and disable out the deletable property over here just like this as well. So you can go around over here, disable the deletable property, so you can move it, you can edit it, but you cannot select it and delete it because it is protected from the property. But if you want to go around and delete out an object right here, you can simply select it and then re-enable the deletable property right here, and then you can select it and delete it out just like this. And that is how you can go around and disable deleting of objects and re-enable deleting of objects inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.